here's his example. Ask the following question. I'm holding something in my hand, and I suddenly open my hand. What will happen? Well, of course, everybody knows from experience that it will drop, right? Because you've experienced that. Let's ask a counterfactual question. What if there were no gravity? What would happen? Do we know about space? It would just float away, right? And so, he was in a series of questions like that. And so I said, well, let's do an experiment. I believe in the experimental method. And so I asked the question to ChatGPT, what will happen if I am holding something and I let it go? It will drop down. And actually, the next question was, why did it drop down? And the answer comes back, gravity. And then I asked, if there's no gravity and I let it go, what will happen? Well, it will just float away. In other words, without ever having experienced gravity or any, experiment like that, no gravity, it was able to answer those questions. Now, at the end of his little essay about thinking, he said, that's thinking, and I basically showed that if that's thinking, then, well, it passed the test, right? So what's amazing is that without having any sensory experiences or motor output, it has completely gotten all this information and insights out of words. And in fact, it was trained on a very simple task just to predict the next word in the sentence. Yeah. And it's a lot of words, trillions of words. And it got better and better and better and better. And in order to do that, it developed inside of this very large network with trillions of parameters, weights, a neural network. It developed a semantic representation of the sentence. The only way you can answer sentences that are complex is to know what the words mean. They have multiple meanings in that sentence, in that context.